In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to upload content to Snapchat. If you want to upload content to Snapchat, you need to follow these steps. Now, first thing, make sure that you have a Snapchat account and also make sure that the app is completely up to date. And to begin with, click on the Snapchat application and log into your account. Once logged in, this is gonna take you to the home page. Now here, you could either go ahead and take a snap. You could use a front camera as well as back. You could flip it by tapping on this arrow icon at the top right hand side corner, just like that. And now when you actually go ahead and tap on it, so this is gonna take a photo. Then you could click on send to button. You could also save. You could also click on stories, right? You could add it to your story, or maybe you could send to the chat as well. And similarly, if you want to send or if you want to add in a video, then you have to long press onto it or hold on to it, and then you could zoom in and then zoom out as well, and tap on a send to button and do this. And this way you could also upload content to Snapchat. And likewise, if you're using a desktop version, then you could just simply drag and drop, and that is also going to help you out to upload content on Snapchat. And similarly, the other thing if you want to do is that just click or close this up, and then you could go to the explore section over here, or just click on the Bitmoji icon from the top of the page and go to my profile or public profile, and here as well you could click on add snaps, and then you could go ahead and add in a snap. So this is how you could go ahead and upload snap to Snapchat. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.